In order to solve this question, we first need to recognize that the difference going from 320 to 385 is 65, and we're interested to know what percent is that 65 out of 320. Not out of 385, out of 320. Why? Because 320 was the starting point, and when we're talking about a percent change, it's always a percent change in the context of where we started. Now, the next hurdle we have to get over to solve this question is to figure out approximately what percent is 65 out of 320. And I think the trick to approximating is to really look closely at the two numbers and see if you can find some way to make them easier to relate to one another. So in this case, when I look at 65 over 320, I'm thinking that if it was 64 over 320, which is going to be very, very close to 65 over 320, that would be a lot easier for me to compute because 64 is exactly double 32. So if it's double 32, that means that it would be 1/5 of 320, right? I'm giving the 32 a factor of 10, and so a numerator that would have been twice as big becomes 1/5 as big. Now, 1/5 of something means 20%, and since my approximation was so minor, I just rephrased 65 over 320 as 64 over 320, I'm going to go with answer choice C, 20%. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.